Hey guys, this is Jack, and today we have a review of an iPad application called GoodReader, which costs $1.99 on the App Store, and allows you to view a whole lot of files. It allows you to view image files, video files, PDFs, iWork documents, Office documents, and like PowerPoint, Excel, and Word, and also PDFs. So it's a good viewer application. For example, if you have an ebook that's in PDF format and iBooks does not support it, you can easily use GoodReader to supplement that. So GoodReader interface, there's two columns. One column is your documents, and one column is your manipulation of files. You can manipulate files through different ways. For example, you can download more files from the internet in the Web Downloads tab. You can browse the web using the default browser, or you can enter a URL. So if you go to Safari and have a PDF file or like a manual, product manual that you want to download, just copy the URL and enter it in here, and it pops up the little window here, and enter it in, click OK, it will download, and it will pop up in the little downloads in progress tab section here. You can also connect to different servers. For example, you can connect to print servers, you can connect to your email server, and if you connect to your email server, it pretty much works with any email provider, and you can download email attachments for offline viewing. When you manage files, you can select a few files. You can delete them, you can protect them, you can email them, and you can star them. You can put them in different folders. You can even have a new file. So really cool. There's a whole lot of options here. It's only $1.99. You can also find files. So for example, if you have a big library, which I don't have, but if you have a big library and you want to search for iPhone, and searching is dynamic, it shows up all the iPhone related files you have on the device. You also have a preview section, but preview usually drags the whole UI. It makes everything really laggy and buggy and slow. So I don't really turn it on that much. There's not really a point. And just to show you the power of GoodReader, it can open, for example, my physics textbook, which is 166 megabytes, and it views it just fine, no lagginess interface at all. And to prove it's 166 megabytes. I'm not sure if you can see that, but I'll try to zoom in as much as I can. 166 kilobytes, or megabytes here, right here. And it views it just fine, really fast. You can also scroll through like this, swipe or flicking through it, or you can use this little thing here. You can, scroll, fast scroll. And you can also show different tap zones. And you can, when you're viewing an application, this document in full screen mode, you can use these different tap zones to navigate the document. And as usual, this application, you can also view your photo albums, which is really cool, but a feature I don't really use that much, as well as connect to as a Wi-Fi transfer. So another way to get files on here is through Wi-Fi transfer, but I don't really use that. I tend to use iTunes a lot more. In the settings, you can set different things for like viewing PDF files. You can have different modes like night mode, PDF links. You can do a whole lot. But for me, most settings, the default settings work just fine for me. And you can also change which port to use when you're doing Wi-Fi transfer, which is really important for some people. And that's it. You can also lock orientation, which is a really cool mode I have. And locking orientation basically locks the orientation to be this way. And even if you turn the device around to try to trick the accelerometer, it won't change. So that's really good if you're viewing a PDF file and you suddenly, turn the device over, and it kind of gets frustrating to turn it back. So if you need help at any point in time, all you have to do is just go to this little help menu, and you can get a whole lot of tips and tricks for help. For example, what kind of files you can view, what's new in this version, 4 ways a step-by-step guide to transfer files onto the iPad, and yeah. And also troubleshooting, which is, good to have. So that's just a review of the application called GoodReader. Please check it out. It's really cool, and it's really useful. It only costs $1.99. Very cheap, very effective, and that's it. Thanks guys for watching the video. Please check out my channel for more videos, the iPad review for more iPad-only, iPad-exclusive content, as well as Snow Leopard 2008 for regular tech content. So thanks guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys soon.